Hello everyone, a very warm greeting to all of you. Hope you all are doing good and achieving your goals. I am Faisal. I am associated with Winnie Immigration as an immigration advisor. With business opportunities thriving across Canada, we are getting many queries regarding how one can proceed for the same. So today I am going to answer a few of those queries. One of them is business immigration in Manitoba's province. So let me throw some light on the process for immigration to Manitoba in business frame. Talking about the location, that is bordered by Ontario to the east and Saskatchewan to the west, Manitoba is considered to have one of the strongest economies in Canada and is home to lucrative business investment opportunities as well. The business investor stream, that is BIS, allows Manitoba to recruit and nominate qualified business investors and entrepreneurs from around the world who have intent and ability to start and purchase the businesses in Manitoba. There are two pathways: the entrepreneur pathway for applicants seeking to open a business in Manitoba, the farm investor pathway for those intending to establish and operate a farm operation in rural Manitoba. We will be discussing about these pathways in brief. The entrepreneur pathway allows Manitoba to recruit and nominate qualified business people to move to the province and establish or purchase a business or become partner in an existing business. The requirement of this pathway is a minimum verifiable personal net worth of 500,000 Canadian dollars, a minimum investment of 250,000 Canadian dollars in a business situated in Manitoba's capital region, or 150,000 if a business is situated outside of the Manitoba capital region. Minimum 3 years of successful business ownership, education level of Canadian high school, language proficiency of minimum CLB level 5, also intention and ability to reside in Manitoba with all dependent family members. An exploratory visit may be required in Manitoba. The farm investor pathway is for individuals with a proven farm business experience and sufficient available capital to invest, and who intend to establish and operate a farm operation in rural Manitoba. The business nominees will establish a farm business in rural Manitoba producing primary products that are consistent with the province's current farm industry and create jobs for Manitoba's local population and contribute to Manitoba's economy as well. The requirements will be a minimum of 3 years of farm ownership and operation experience supported by verifiable documents. Demonstrate sufficient language proficiency, that is minimum CLB level 5. Investment of 300,000 Canadian dollars in the rural Manitoba region. Should possesses practical farming skills, technical knowledge and experience in technological based farming practices. Verifiable net worth of 500,000 Canadian dollars will be a requirement. So this was all about business immigration of Manitoba. I hope I have been able to help you gain a better understanding of how Manitoba business immigration works with the shared information. For any further assistance regarding Canada Business PR, please feel free to write us at inquiry@winnieimmigration.com, or you can also call us at our toll-free number, that is 1800 419 3242. Thank you.